Hello, dear students. Today I am going to teach you about your maps. This is map list. First, you will recall. In this, I'll tell you about ports, seaports from chapter number 7, lifelines of national economy, lifelines of national economy of India. First, you may see that there is major ports and the second part that is international airports. First, I would like to tell you about the name of the ports, then we'll locate it. Number one, Kandla Port. You start it from Gujarat, then Mumbai, then Marmagao, New Mangalore, Kochi, Tuticorin, Chennai, then Vishakhapatnam. Tuticorin is on the southernmost tip. Then Chennai, you go towards the eastern side. All these five ports A, B, C, D in the western coast, and Kochi, Tuticorin, southern part. Then Chennai in the eastern part, Vishakhapatnam, eastern part, Paradip and Haldia. If I show you this on your map, these are looks like this one, like here are these seaports, right? Kandla port I have marked in Gujarat. You may see Run of Kutch from the eastern side, from here uh, western side. Then Mumbai port in Maharashtra. According to state you have to locate. Then Marmagao, there on the गोवा साइड, कर्नाटका के टॉप में है और महाराष्ट्र के बिल्कुल बॉटम पे है, और यहाँ गोवा भी है. देन न्यू मैंगलोर इज देयर नियर कर्नाटका. देन कोची सी पोर्ट इन द सदर मोस्ट. देन देयर इज टूटिकॉन. देन चेन्नई समवट तमिलनाडु, ऊपर ऊपर हैदराबाद आंध्र प्रदेश के. ये नीचे बिल्कुल दो पैरेलल पोर्ट्स हैं. These are Kochi and Tuticorin, and eastern side there is Chennai seaport. Then in Odisha there is Vishakhapatnam. Here in Andhra Pradesh there is Vishakhapatnam. There Odisha there is uh, Paradip. Then in West Bengal there is Haldia seaport. And you have to note down that the item of locating and labeling all these mean to say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seaports are there, right? These can be asked for the labeling as well as locating. Not only labeling and locating, but for identification also these ports can be asked. In next map, I will tell you afterward this airports. You please note down or take screenshot of this. Right, this is the new syllabus. Then I'll tell you about the uh, from this is map from chapter number 3rd. Right, different multi-purpose dam projects. Multi-purpose dam projects. Here, first one with the red there, that is in Jammu Kashmir, that is Salal, right? Then there is Bhakhra Nangal Dam, based upon on the border area of Punjab and Himachal. Bhakhra Nangal Dam. Then Tehri Dam, it is in Uttarakhand. There were some social issues also regarding that, because disputes, interstate disputes were there. Because this time this is not in your syllabus, that chapter, but map work is there. So then next one is Rana Pratap Sagar, that is in MP, or nearby this Rajasthan southern tip. Then Indra Sagar Dam. Then in Gujarat side there is Sardar Sarovar Dam. Hopefully you are able to locate. Dear students, don't see from here just and finish. Simultaneously you have to take one map and locate accordingly. I am telling you the states. Then Hirakud Dam, that is on Mahanadi, on this Odisha, state of Odisha. Once again, I am going to repeat these northern areas dams, multi-purpose river dam. First one is Salal, that is in the state of Jammu Kashmir, southern side of Jammu Kashmir, right? Then Bhakra Nangal, that is on the border of Himachal and Punjab. Then Tehri Dam project is also there, right? So then come forward downward, that is Rana Pratap Sagar near southern part of Rajasthan and MP, northeast, western part, and Indra Sagar Dam is below that. Then the western side, गुजरात में जो है, यहाँ डांडी हमने लोकेट किया था, देयर इट इज सरदार सरोवर डैम, सरदार सरोवर डैम. Then come to the southern India, peninsula India. There we have Hirakund Dam, हमने पहले भी पढ़ लिया. Then Tungabhadra on the Tungabhadra river, ठीक है, मैसूर के पास पड़ता है ये, कर्नाटका और दिस वन आंध्र प्रदेश, दोनों के बॉर्डर एरिया के पास है. देन नागा अर्जुन सागर डैम इज ऑल्सो देयर. All these dams are in your syllabus and go through accordingly. Dear student, don't forget to locate it within your own hand. And very soon I am going to tell you your atlas page number. Right? First you must make this rough practice on loose maps. Then we'll held that your atlas book maybe by tomorrow. Then you have to take this one. Uh, this we have done. Then next one is Slal, Bakra Nangar, major soil types. हाँ. Then for this syllabus you may write major areas of, मैंने आपको होमवर्क भी दिया था इसमें, right? Major areas of rice and wheat, largest major producer of sugar cane, tea, coffee, rubber, cotton and jute. Then there is fifth chapter that is already excluded from your syllabus for text study, but map work we have to do, and that is also this much: thermal power stations, Naruppam, Singrauli, Ramagundam, and nuclear power station, very very important, Narora, Kakrapara, Tarapur and Kalpakkam. And for this you go to this with me in this area. This is major rice producing areas. I have tried to show you. लिखो बेटा, इसमें बड़ा सिंपल सा है. You can learn it in this way, where alluvial soil is found and availability of water is more and more there. There this type of crop, that is rice crop, can be grown. I in first map in the northern India, and in this second map I have told you the peninsula India, and mostly that is eastern, southern eastern side of India, right? I would like to take the name of the states: Punjab, Haryana, and here Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Assam, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, and then you may take this southern word: Telangana, Andhra Pradesh, and Tamil Nadu. All these states are producing rice. If we take its major name, that is West Bengal, right? West Bengal, Punjab, Haryana, and Uttar Pradesh. These are the major areas, major states producing rice. So in this way, second topic in this, it is for your homework. Please note down, you have to locate international airports as your homework. Amritsar, right? It is in Punjab. You may take the help of book for locating this. That is Raja Sansi. Dear students, please take care while locating these map locations. Uh, Somewhat here and there will matter, doesn't matter, but see the direction. If you do that in the, like Amritsar is in the western, northwestern direction of Punjab. If you do it southeastern direction, then it would be totally wrong. Minor difference here and there will not affect your marks. Otherwise, your marks would be deducted. So, dear students, please be careful regarding that. Right? Delhi. Indira Gandhi International Airport, very important, very famous. Mumbai Chhatrapati Shivaji, right? चेन्नई मीना बंकम, कोलकाता नेता सुभाष चंद्र बोस, और इसका जो प्रीवियस नेम था इट वाज दमदम एयरपोर्ट, एंड हैदराबाद that is Rajiv Gandhi Airport, right? So you have to see these airports carefully and locate. And then this is Rana Pratap Sagar, and this is Sardar Sarovar. These are the multi dams. Then I have told you regarding this maps, and very much thank you, students. Hopefully you have understood and you will try to do it accordingly whatsoever I have told, and tomorrow I will tell you regarding some more. Dear students, you have to take one thing very carefully, that you have to uh, be aware of the location of all the states. There may be some students in this category, they are not aware of these state, all 29 states and union territories, because it will helpful and help you to learn the map easily. Thank you, students. Bye.